Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to make UI in Roblox Studio. So go ahead and open your Roblox Studio and select a template. Then we're going to go over to Starter GUI, click on the plus, and then we're going to add a screen GUI. Then we're going to add a frame here, so we're going to click on plus and add a frame. Here we have the frame, so we're going to centralize it and make it the size we want. Then to the frame we're going to add a text button. You can see text button right here, or you can search for it. I'm going to bring it over here. Then right here for the text button, we're going to change it from button to say X or close. So we're going down here and we're going to change from button to close. Then we're going to have the text scaled, check the box. Then we're going to style it to make it bold. Then next we're going to add another text button, which we will use to open this UI. So we're going to come over to Screen GUI and add text button. You can see it over here. We're going to bring it down here and make some customizations to it, such as renaming the button. And then we're going to change the text from button. So we're going to give it the name Open or Open GUI. Then we're going to make the text to be scaled, make the text size to be smaller. Then we're going to make it bold. Then on the text button, we're going to add a script. So we're going to search for local script, click on it, and we'll be taken to this page where we can put in our code. So now we have our code here, and this code will be in the description of this video. So after writing the code, you can close the local script. And then the next thing we'll need to do is to make sure that this is invisible. So we are going to be looking for the visible option in the properties. We're going to click on the frame here. And then we're going to scroll down to where we can see visible. So here is visible, uncheck the box. This will make it invisible. So when we click on Open GUI, it's going to be opened. Now we can go and click on play to test it out. Play. And then say we want to click on Open GUI. And you can see it's open right here. However, for now, when we click on close, it's not working. So we'll need to add some code to this. So now we're going to go over to the text button of the frame. We're going to click on the text button right here. Click on the plus icon there, add local script. And then we're going to paste in a code, which will be in the description of this video. After this is written, you can close the script. And then we're going to try to play again, just to test it out. So we're going to click on Open GUI, and now we're going to click on Close to see if it works. Yes, that works, and we're happy to have that. So now we can click on the stop, and now you have a functioning GUI. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.